welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video we are going to be talking all about this Boxy Charm for the month of July. But before I jump right to it, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos, which I do each week. So definitely check out my past videos. They are all there for you guys, and I also upload every week. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media channels such as Twitter and Instagram. I do a lot of beauty reviews there and also tutorials, so check them out because why not? It's free. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know, I am affiliated with Boxy Charm, so I get the monthly subscription for free. In the beginning, I didn't get it for free. I had to subscribe to them, and there's different payment plans, so you can get the monthly payment plan, which I believe you do get them for $21 and some change. And you can also do them quarterly, annually, and then every 6 months you can also pay in advance. And if you pay annually, of course, you will get a bigger discount than when you're paying it quarterly or monthly, of course. So this is basically a subscription service that you do get 4 to 5 full-sized items. So for $20 and some change or $21 and some change, you're getting some awesome products in here for full-size items. So this is amazing. So again, this is what the box looks like. I got a notification on Monday that this was coming, and I received the box on Friday, which is yesterday, and it came from Georgia to New Jersey, so just to give you an idea. And this box is also box number 3. There's like, I think 3 different boxes, and I believe that the sizing of this is 1 pound. So when you get this box, you are getting a pamphlet that looks like this, and it has a theme each month. So the theme this month is July Boxy Charm Road Trippin. So this is what it looks like. So cool, as you can see. And in the back of this pamphlet, you are getting 20% coupon from Wonder Beauty and Pharmacy. So I will put the code down in the description box. So if you guys are interested, you can use that as well. You also do get the description of each of the individual items that you are getting from this box in here and the pricing of it, which I do like. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. The first thing that I got here is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant. And it says here that the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist gives your skin the glow it deserves with this antioxidant-packed cucumber fruit and plant extract skin tonic. The non-sticky mist delivers a radiant, dewy finish for a lit from within luminosity, fresh, dull, tired, or sluggish feeling skin throughout the day, or use after your skin routine to balance tone and boost your complexion. And the pricing of this is $25 if you just buy this individually, which I think is pretty cool. The only thing that I would say is that the pump of this is not that great. So I did use this earlier today, and I actually like how it does give you a nice radiant glow. But the thing is, like, the pump is not great. Like, I kind of struggled with like spraying this and like giving me an even spray throughout my face. So that's the only thing. But if they did change that pump, maybe like a continuous pump would be amazing, or something that's like a little bit better than what's included in this. This would be like perfect. Other than that, like, it does have some type of cucumber smell to it, which is awesome, and I really enjoy this. And the next product that I wanted to talk about in this box is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, and this is what it looks like. So this is also a full-size item. It says here that say goodbye to puffy and say hello to your youthful, rested-looking eyes with Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biometric technology, peptides, and botanical extract, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. So I did use this today, and I actually used this underneath my eyes, and it does have an amazing feel to it. It's very creamy, very nice, lightweight. It does have a little bit of that salmony shade to it. And then when you apply it underneath your eyes, it makes your eyes really deep puff, and it makes it look so smooth. It doesn't have any sticky residue or anything. It doesn't smell like anything. It's just nice, and it sits awesome in the skin. And I can still feel the hydration underneath my eyes, and it feels awesome because I didn't really sleep last night until like 2:30 in the morning because my baby was crazy. She did not want to sleep. So yeah, so you can see it on my eyes. It looks absolutely better, that I'm going to tell you. And then when you buy this, this is $42 if you buy this individually. So if you go to Sephora, $42. Alright, so the next product that I have here is the Wonder Beauty Mascara. This is what it looks like. So this is also a full-size item. And this is what it looks like. So it has that nice traditional brush in there that is curved. And it does help with curling your lashes and also giving you that volume. So I did use this today and I gotta say that it did work awesome. I love the formula of this. It's not tacky, it's not watery, it's just in the middle where you can actually work with it and then build your lashes to an awesome length. The only thing is that I didn't really like the way my lashes or my eyes looked without lashes, so I had to put some Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, and I absolutely love it. I love how this looks right now. Like, this whole look looks awesome. But okay, so it says in here, this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. So if you buy this individually, this is $24. So that's kind of expensive, yo. So the next product in this box is the No Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. And this is what the blush looks like. Looks very luxe. It has a nice mirror in there, so if you're traveling and stuff, it is very compact. I really do like the packaging of this. This is what it looks like. And this one is in Desert Rose. So it's a nice terracotta shade. And it is very, very pigmented, that I'm going to say. And that's what I'm wearing today. So all of these products I'm wearing today. And as you can see, it looks really nice. It sits on the skin so nicely. And I just love the way it looks. So these are the type of blushes that I go for. And I'm just glad that they've included this in here. So it says in here, designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat perfect for the charmer on the go. And this one is $11.99 if you buy it individually. So this kind of reminds me of Physicians Formula. You know how like their blushes have brush underneath? It kind of is like that. So it has a nice brush in there. So that's awesome. I like it a lot. Alright, so the last product in here is the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. So this is what it looks like. And again, I'm wearing this on my eyebrows right now. This is what it looks like. So it has a brush in there. So as you can see, the angled brush is in there. And then you are getting this kind of like a pomade for your brows, and that's what it looks like. And I've been wanting to try this, and I'm glad that they've included this in here. It says here, add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving your perfect brows that will last all day and night. So I thought that I wasn't gonna like this. I actually like it a lot because it doesn't give you that harsh fake color and look to your eyebrows. So my eyebrows actually looks really good right now. Like, I am impressed with this. Like, it looks so natural, and it was super easy to blend. I didn't really need to get another brush like this to like blend the colors together with my brows. It just looked natural. Like, it looks like my brows and this color is all one. And it did cover some sparse spaces around top part of my brows, and it looks awesome. I just love the way my brows look right now. It's not harsh, it's not anything, it's like it looks really blended, so I love this. So when you buy this individually, it is $26. Alright, all in all, the total of this box is $128.99, which is a steal if you are only paying $20 and some change, or $21 and some change each month. So you're getting 5 full-size products. That is awesome. So my top pick in this box is definitely the blush, which is the one that I'm wearing right now, and it looks awesome, and I think this looks awesome with every skin tone, so I'm loving it. And also No More Baggage from Dr. Brandt and the Cella brows. My least favorite are the Tarte Ready Set. I just don't like the spray of this. I do love the actual product inside. I don't like the spray. And then with the Wonder Beauty Unleashed Volume Curl Mascara, it is okay. It's not one of my favorite ones. It's okay, but I think I'm gonna need to use it more and more in order for me to get used to the formula. But I do like it. I just don't love it. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I will comment back to you guys, and let me know what you guys like in this whole boxy charm, and I hope that I hear from you guys. Also, I will put the link down in the description box if you guys would like to use my code to sign up. I'm really not getting anything, just like little points here and there that I can claim for like items and stuff, so that will help me out a lot if you guys decide on using it. Thank you so much. Alright, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye!